This video we will cover how to review a record. First, open your EZ3 Review Data Dashboard. Once open, you have several ways to locate a record for review. To filter by name, start typing the last name into the appropriate field. You can also sort by date of study, or even by record status. Many providers will often select to sort records by using the My Records Only filter. Once you've selected the correct record, you may either double-click the patient name or click Open Record after highlighting the name of the record. As the record loads, you may be prompted with a scoring session selection. New scoring session will open a record without any staging or scoring noted. Edit scoring session will then have you select a previous scoring session to open, which you can add to or change existing scoring. Review scoring session allows you to select a previous scoring session and open in a read-only state. Now that the record has opened, you can page through the record using the scroll wheel on your mouse, the arrow keys on your keyboard. The right and up arrows can be used to page forward, while the left and down arrows can be used to page backward. You may even use your mouse to click to a specific point in the record on the position bar. Auto scroll is also available, allowing you to start or stop the scrolling process, adjust how fast to scroll through the record, or even allowing you to skip pages while scrolling. During your installation, several views were likely built for quick changes to the workspace layout. To change a montage, you can utilize the shortcut buttons or click the Select button for a full list of montage options to change to. If you need to generate a report after your review of the record is complete, again you can select one of the shortcut buttons for quick generation, or click the Select button to generate the desired report from the list. To close the record, simply click on the Close button or the X in the upper right-hand corner. As the record is closing, you will get a pop-up window which allows you to mark the record for expedite or urgent status. You may also include the record in your clinical database. The system is smart enough to know when you're closing the record what the next record status will be upon close, and so you can click No at this time. Should you want to change the record to another specified status, use the drop-down to make the change and click Yes.